Hey, you want to see how to get this knot out? Throw your strap on the concrete, take your hammer and softly hit it. Should start to loosen up a little bit. Go ahead, give it some more taps. Oh, I think I got it. So essentially what you're doing here is you're loosening up these fibers. And that allows you to get your fingers in there a little bit so that you can start pulling on this. There, and that's where it was. No more knots, and all it took was a hammer.